This is Dr. Hovelt, and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says write an equation that would help you find the value of the variable. It gives us that 60% of C is 43.2. So remember those previous problems we did where we were finding 60% of a number? We know that 60%, that can be like 60 over 100. 60% of C would be 60 over 100 times C. And this is equal to 43.2. So this is the equation that we could write. That would help us find the value of C, which is the variable. So here, C is our variable. Now let's do the second part where we solve this equation. So we have 60 over 100 is a coefficient on C, so what we want to do is divide both sides. So let's divide both sides by 60 over 100. So that gives us that C is equal to 43.2 divided by 60 over 100. So then we just want to keep working this out. Let me go ahead and zoom in so it'll be easier to see what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as a fraction division problem. So let's rewrite as fraction division. What do I mean by that? Well, I want to take 43.2 and write that as a fraction. So that would be like 43.2 over 1 divided by 60 over 100. And now, how does fraction division work? We keep the dividend the same. So 43.2 over 1, that's not changing. But then we change to multiplication, and we multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So we're going to take 60 over 100 and flip it up. So now it's just a fraction multiplication problem. And how does fraction multiplication work? We can multiply the numerators. So 43.2 times 100. And we can multiply the denominators. So 1 times 60. So 43.2 times 100, that's going to be 4,320. Then we have that over 60. And for this, you can go ahead and use a calculator to see what is 4,320 divided by 60. That'll be 72. So make sure that that's what you get in your calculator. And when you write all of this down and show me on your calculator, I can give you some hero points. Thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.